Ready for a mini mouth workout? This straw challenge builds lip strength. Let's see how long your child can hold it with just their lips. This activity strengthens your child's lips and helps them keep their mouth closed. It's a key skill for sounds like b, b and ma. It's called the straw hold challenge. Place the straw between your lips, not your teeth, and hold it there. Start with just 3 seconds, then work up. You can count out loud with your child, saying 1, 2, 3. This builds lip endurance in a fun and focused way. If the straw slips out easily, try a lighter straw or reduce the time. Make sure that they are not clenching with their teeth. This is all about lip power. This can become a mini challenge. Ask your child to beat their last time. You can even use it before meal times to help with oral readiness. Great job! With every second they hold the straw, your child's lips are getting stronger and steadier for speech.